We live in a world operated by technology. Protecting it is very crucial. It's as if you're protecting a treasure which you own. IKK Group is a Saudi conglomerate established in 1968. We specialize in manufacturing, trading, contracting, and services. The group consists of around 18,000 employees. IKK is involved in a lot of large-scale projects in Saudi Arabia and the region. You have the King Abdullah Financial District, the innovative F1 circuit in Jeddah, the Louvre Museum in Abu Dhabi, in addition to Riyadh Metro. Our data increased 3 times in the past couple of years. All projects are data related. This data is available on clouds, on servers, so protecting it is very crucial.
We were facing many issues with our old backup solution, and we needed a solution that is scalable and can handle the growth in the number of users and the number of business applications in the group. Selecting Veeam Data Cloud, Veeam Vault, and Veeam Backup were the right solution for our business. With Veeam Data Cloud, we do not have to care about capacity management, as the service provides more capacity as we grow. The easiness of the platform in managing the backup and restoration for all the Microsoft 365 services played a major role in selecting Veeam Data Cloud.
We live in a world full of cyber attacks. You need to make sure that your data is very secure.
Veeam has efficiently enhanced our data resilience. Something goes wrong, Veeam comes to save the day without feeling that there is a downtime or impact the daily operation. It's protecting our data against many cyber threats. It's giving us readiness for the growth and all the new solutions implemented at the group.
We have 20% faster data recovery, higher efficiency in backup and data protection, and we have lowered our costs for this by 25%.
One of the major features working with Veeam is the Veeam team. It's more like part of our IKK Group family. It's not like working with any other vendor. It's a real partnership.